So here is circle. The center is 3, 2. The line through the point is -5, 6. So radius, distance of the radius we want. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Distance of the 2 points formula root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Same as well as root of x2 means -5 minus x1 means 3 minus y minus 3 whole square plus y2 6 minus y1 2 whole square. Root of -5 minus 3 minus 8 whole square plus 6 minus 2 4 square. Root of -8 whole square minus 8 into -8 64 minus minus plus 4 square 16. So root of 6 plus 4 10 1 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8. So 8 is 16 into 5. 16 5 is 18. So root 16 into 5. Root 16 into root 5. 16 square root 4. 4 root 5 units. Square 4 root 5 units. Can you draw a triangle with vertices 1 5 5 8 and 13 14? Give a reason. E 1 5 5 8 13 14 to triangle గీయగలమా? రీజన్ ఏమన్నా? Let 1 5 means A, 5 8 B, 13 14 C. Distance between AB first. AB x1 y1 x2 y2. Distance between AB. So AB distance root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 means 5 minus x1 1 whole square plus y2 8 minus y1 5 whole square. So 5 minus 1 4 square plus 8 minus 5 3 square. So 4 square means 16 plus 9. So 16 plus 9 25. 25 square root 5 units. AB as well as BC. B 5 8, C 13 14. Let x1 y1 x2 y2. So BC distance root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Root of x2 minus x1 13 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 14 minus 8 whole square. Root of 13 minus 5 8 square plus 14 minus 8 7 square. 14 minus 6 square. So 8 square means 64 plus 36. Root of 100. Root of 100 10 units. Next to CA. C 13 14. A 1 5. x1 y1 x2 y2. So root of CA distance. Root of x2 means 1 minus x1 13 whole square plus y2 5 minus y1 14 whole square. So root of 1 minus 13 minus 12 whole square plus 5 minus 14 minus 9 whole square. Root of minus 12 whole square minus 12 into minus 12. So 144 plus 9 whole square minus 9 whole square minus 9 into minus 9 81. root of 1 4 5 8 4 12 1 1 225. So square root of 225 is 15. So AB plus BC is equal to CA. AB 5, BC 10 is equal to CA 15. So AB plus BC is equal to CA. There is no, the 3 points are same line. There is not a triangle. So last sum in the exercise, find a relation between x, y such that the points x, y is equal distance. The points -2 8 and -3 5. Let x, y point P. -2 8 point is A. -3 -5 point B. Distance between 2 points root x2 minus x4 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So ఈ P అనే పాయింట్ AB ఈక్వల్ గా ఉంది. సో P ఇక్కడ ఉంది. ఇది A B. ఇది A నుంచి P కి ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్, P నుంచి P కి అంతే డిస్టెన్స్. అంటే సో AP distance is equal to BP. AP distance is equal to BP. So A minus 2 8 P xy distance is B minus 3 5 minus 5 P xy distance. ఈ రెండు డిస్టెన్స్ ఈక్వల్. ఏ డిస్టెన్స్ BP డిస్టెన్స్, AP డిస్టెన్స్ BP డిస్టెన్స్. ఇక్కడ ఇది x1 y1 x2 y2 యాజ్ వెల్ ఇక్కడ ఇది x1 y1 ఇది x2 y2. ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్ అంటే ఇది డిస్టెన్స్ వీటి డిస్టెన్స్ ఈక్వల్. AP డిస్టెన్స్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ AP x2 minus x1 అంటే x minus -2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 y minus 8 whole square is equal to ఇక్కడ BP సేమ్ ఫార్ములా x2 minus x1 x2 minus x1 x2 minus x1 అంటే ఇక్కడ x2 అంటే x minus 3 whole square ఫార్ములా ప్రకారం -2 plus y2 అంటే y minus of 5 whole square. y2 means y minus y1 అంటే -5. So root of x plus 2 whole square minus plus y minus 8 whole square root of x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. Both sides square చేద్దాం. Both sides square. Let's square both sides. అంటే root of x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square is equal to root of x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. Square both sides. Square की square పోయింది, root की square పోయింది. ఓకే x plus 2 whole square plus y plus 8 whole square y minus 8 x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. ఇక్కడ a plus b whole square ఇది a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square a minus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square as well as a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. ఈ ఫార్ములా బట్టి మనం వర్క్ చేద్దాం. a plus b అంటే x square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square. a square plus 2 AB plus B square plus y minus 8 a minus b whole square a square అంటే y square minus 2 into y into a plus 8 square ఇది a minus b whole square is equal to ఇది a plus b whole square x square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square plus a plus b whole square y square plus 2 into y into 5 plus 5 square. Okay, so x square plus 2 to the 4 into x 4x plus 2 square means 4 plus y square minus 2 8 of 8y plus 64 8 square means is equal to x square 16 2 8 is 16y plus 8 square means 64 x square 2 3 is 6x plus 3 square means 9 is equal to plus y square plus 2 5 is 10y plus 25. So x square here is x square cancel అలాంటి ఏమంటే కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాం y square here is the y square cancel. So remaining 4x plus 4 64 68 minus 16y is equal to 6x plus 8 to 25 34 9 25 34 plus 10y plus 20 I2 25 యాడ్ చేసాం. సో నెక్స్ట్ 4x plus 68 minus 16y లెవెల్కి వస్తే minus 6x minus 34 minus 34 minus 10y is equal to 0. 4x minus 6x minus 2x minus 16y minus 10y minus 26x 6y minus 16y minus 10y minus 26y 68 minus 34 68 నుంచి 34 తీసేస్తే 4 3 minus plus 34 is equal to 0. So 2 చేత డివైడ్ చేస్తే minus 2 చేత డివైడ్ చేయండి మైనస్ మైనస్ పోతే 2 2 x minus minus plus 213y minus 2 plus minus 217 is equal to 0. So the x plus 13y minus 17 is equal to 0. The relation between the 2 points is x plus 13y minus 17 is equal to 0.